Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. I'm finally back into filming some shop with me videos. It was a little bit difficult these past few weeks since I've been slowly moving over into my new place, and I just wanted to get a little bit more settled in before I started filming these videos, because honestly I haven't really been grocery shopping or shopping in general. But now I'm finally at the point where I can get some shopping done, get back into my normal routine now that I'm mostly moved over and things are a little bit organized, not completely. I still have boxes and things to set up, but for the most part, set up at least a little bit, which I'll share my setup of my room once I have that all organized. It's a little bit of a mess right now, but that'll be coming soon. For now, I do plan on going shopping for some things. So I'm gonna pull out my envelopes. Actually, I need to take out beauty. So I have to do this like with one hand, which is gonna be fun. Beauty, clothing can stay in here. No to this one. Costco. Okay, I'm going to Costco. I plan on buying a few things from Costco, and I'll share the things I like to bulk buy when it comes to shopping there, especially as a household of one. There's just certain things that I like to buy there that can last me a few weeks. Snacks, frozen stuff, that kind of thing. So I'm gonna go over some of the things I like to buy with that, stock up my fridge with some things. I think the other one I want is not home. Sorry, I can't put these in right because I'm like looking in the camera while I'm doing it. It's a little odd. Okay, so home, I'm gonna take home. I might spend from here, we'll see, but household, I know for sure I will be spending from this envelope. This one I'm gonna use to buy toilet paper from Costco. So when I go to Costco today, I will be shopping with the Costco envelope and the household envelope. Costco envelope only for like food items, and then household envelope for like paper, or what was I getting? Toilet paper, cleaning products, that kind of stuff. Pantry, do I need to take pantry? No, I'm gonna take Target though. Okay, I might go to Target, we'll see. That's basically, these are all the envelopes I plan on taking with me. So I'm gonna put that in my wallet. Actually, I have to grab my wallet, and I will basically just gonna shop using my envelopes. So I'll take you along, and then I'll do a little haul of what I purchased shopping today. All right, so I'm gonna go over what I got at Costco. Some of the things that I like to purchase with my Costco envelope. So I always like to have frozen fish. I really like this tilapia one. I was thinking of getting salmon, but I went with tilapia, but I'll mix it up. Next time I'll get salmon. But I always like to have this on hand because since I meal prep all my meals and I eat the same thing over and over again, sometimes it's just nice to have something I can eat that's different in case I'm getting bored of what I meal prepped. So I could throw this into the oven real quick and just eat like a salad with it, and I'll be good. So yeah, love this tilapia one. I did get some romaine because I eat a lot of lettuce, salads, things like that. So I always get that, and that's super cheap. It was like $3 something for that. I like to stock up on like meats and cheeses, that kind of stuff over there. And these are great because they're little spiral. Yeah, here you go. their little rolls of meat and cheese. So this will last me like 2 or 3 weeks because I can eat this with some nuts and veggies and like little snacks. So I like to have meats and cheeses, like I said, on hand, and Costco has a great selection of those. Sometimes I'll just get the meat on their own from Costco and then just get cheese somewhere else. But this time I just wanted to keep it easy because I don't have to cut anything up or anything. They're already ready to eat. So yeah, these are really, really good. Chicken, always love getting the chicken at Costco because it's like, what, $4? Less than $5. You could do so much with this. I could just eat it on its own with like a salad. Just toss it in a salad, make some chicken salad. Yeah, some chicken salad, just different stuff with this. You can do a lot with that. So I just like to have that on hand. This is one of my favorite things to add into salad. Just these like salad toppers. They're so good. They have like seeds and then some cranberries, I think, are in here too. Can't see them, but yeah, I'm almost done with the bag I initially bought, and that thing lasted me like a couple of months. I just sprinkle some of this into my salads. Super yummy. Nuts. Nuts are another great thing that I like to purchase. Snacks too at Costco, especially since nuts can be kind of expensive, but at Costco they're pretty affordable because you get this nice big jar here. I think this was like $15. So I got some honey roasted nut mix. I try to mix it up too with the nuts, getting like either plain ones. I got honey roasted this time. Sometimes they have like different flavored ones that I'll grab when I go through this container. I really like olives. These will last me a while too, so just something I can snack on. So I love these olives. I could eat them with this, olives, some crackers, delicious. I really liked the sound of these. This is another thing I could just keep in the fridge, and I could just make a quick lunch or a dinner with this. They're chicken meatballs. Another reason I got this is because they were on sale. I think this was $10.99 and you get like 2 packs of these. So I figured these would be good with just some rice and some veggies and yeah, a nice simple meal. And then I can put those in the fridge and then like freeze them if I don't eat through all of them. And then this is something that I like to have. Oh, I haven't had this in a bit. It's a garlic dip. So good with just like the chicken and that. Amazing. But you can put it on in anything. It's a nice garlic dip. You like garlic, it's good. And this will last a while too. So yeah, things that I can get at Costco that'll last me at least 2 weeks or more. Aside from the chicken, because that'll just last me for a week. But I took this out of grocery money, this out of grocery money, that out of grocery money. All the other things that can last me at least 2 weeks or more, that came out of Costco fund, my Costco fund. So yeah, that's basically what I picked up. It's not a lot. I have to be pretty selective when I go there since I'm only one person. So there's things like milk I probably wouldn't buy from there because I don't really go through like a gallon of milk. So I just buy like a small little thing of milk. And then yeah, there's just certain things that I just can't get because I won't be able to eat through it all. But these are the things I like to get. So I just want to do a little overview of what I got at Costco. I also got toilet paper, but that's still in my car. But I did buy that because I love getting toilet paper and paper goods at Costco because they're very cheap and they're good quality. But I used my household money to purchase that. But yeah, that's my little haul, my little grocery Costco haul for this week. So I wanted to share some of my purchases. I got some beauty items. I went to Target. So this one was a pretty easy purchase for me to get because it was just one category. Sometimes I have to combine money from other, like multiple categories to make a payment, like a one transaction. So this one is super easy because it was all just beauty products. I got some moisturizer, new nail, because my nails, oh my goodness, I need to redo them. These are actually the set I'm currently wearing, and these have lasted for weeks. It says lasted 14 days, but I've had these exact ones on for maybe 4 weeks, and that's during a move. So just, yeah, really, really good. I do actually put a top coat on, so I think that helps to make them last a little bit longer. So I bought another one of these sets because I want them to last another 4 weeks for me, so we'll see. But yeah, I bought these, and I also got some body wash, but I'm already using that, so it's not here to share. But I used beauty, and I had 105 in my envelope, so that more than enough covered this one. And I will be updating this one because sorry, I don't have my, I'm still moving stuff over. It's a slow move. But my stand, I left it at my old apartment, so I need to go pick it up. But this is what I have left over from the 105. I have $45 left over. So I will be updating this tracker since I spent that money. Okay, so I'll do that next. So I have my tracker here, and I spent, so I have 45. So I spent 60. Sorry, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this on camera. Oh, there you go. So I spent 60 and I'm left with 45. Okay, so now that's been updated. I want to try to update these as I go because before in the past I would do it all at the end, and sometimes it messes me up a little bit. So I'm going to do it as I shop and just show you that process. So this is going to go back into my beauty envelope. I have $45 left over in here, and I do have something in mind that I want to purchase soon with this, so I'll be going shopping with this envelope again probably next week, so that's good. So beauty is all done, that's accounted for. And then the other envelope that I spent from, I went to Bath and Body Works and I bought some I bought hand soap. I like the hand soap. Oh, and I also got a new little hand soap dispenser because I really like their new dispensers that they have there. Let's see, I think it was, yeah, this one. Look how pretty this one is. It's glass, so that's nice, and it has the foaming pump. So I got this for my new place. I think it's super adorable. This was $19.99, so this was 20 bucks. And then I got a few different soaps. They have this new princess collection, which is really cool. There's like lotions and sprays and all kinds of stuff. They had Moana. I like these two. Moana and Tiana. These were the ones I didn't mind the scent. Some of the scents were, in my opinion, not good. Cinderella, no, not good. So they had Cinderella. They had Belle. Jasmine. I really wanted to like Jasmine. I wanted to get a Jasmine one, but the scent was just, I couldn't with the scent. It was going to give me a headache. And then I just picked out some of the newer, these would look like very tropical-y ones. They smell really good. I smell all of them before I buy them. And then I got this one too, raspberries and whipped vanilla. So these are my scents, or my lotion. Oh my goodness, I keep calling them lotions. My hand soaps for my place. So I took this all out of my household envelope. So where's my household? Household. Okay, here's household. I had $59 to spend. Now, here's the thing though. This was, I'm gonna have to adjust this a little bit because let's see, I have a little bit left in here. Oh no, I have nothing left. So I took money out of household to pay for the toilet paper that I bought at Costco. That was about like 20 bucks. So then that left me with about $39. And then this was actually, how much was this? Sorry, I have to get my receipt. So now I can't remember how much I spent. Okay, this was $51 that I spent at, no, sorry, I gave them 51. It was $46.95. So I spent $39. Okay, so I just need to adjust this a little bit because, oh no, I pulled from this envelope. So what I did was I didn't have enough in this envelope, in my household envelope, so I had to pull from the difference from spending. So that's what I did to cover it, because I did pay in cash, so the payment's good. I don't have to fix anything, and household is completely done since I went and got that stuff. So let me just update this one next. Sorry, once I get my stand, my filming of these will be a lot better. But let's see, I'm just gonna subtract 59 from here and then zero this out. Okay, so this one's all done, and then I will just put this back into the household envelope here. And that's basically it. That's all I really went. I went to Costco, and then I went to Bath and Body Works and Target just to pick up some things. And this is what I'm left with, spending, still got some spending money, eating out. I want to go to In-N-Out later today, so that's more than enough because my In-N-Out meal is like 9 something, less than $10. So I will be enjoying some In-N-Out later. I still have some grocery money left over because I bought a lot of stuff at Costco. I used most of the Costco money to pay for things, but there's still a couple things I want to pick up for this weekend. So this will, I'll spend a little bit of this, but for the most part, I have a good amount left over for groceries. Coffee, I already did my 2 reloads, and then I still have a buffer money. I have $10 left in buffer. And then here are the envelopes. So I'm just going to, since I'm done shopping with these, I just take these out. Now that I'm done, I've gone to all the stores that I planned on going to, and I'm just going to take these out of my wallet and then put them back in my binder. Everything is back in the binder now that I'm done shopping, and then that is going to be it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed watching as I shopped. I know it wasn't a lot of shopping, but just trying to ease my way back into it. And these were just things that I kind of needed. Like I needed food. I also needed some beauty items. Those were kind of a necessity. And then I wanted some new soaps. So yeah, I'm going to get back into a little bit more detailed shop with me videos, because I do enjoy making them. It's been a very exhausting time moving, so thank you for understanding why I haven't posted one of these in a bit, because they do take a lot to film and edit, so I appreciate your patience on them, but they're coming now that I'm a little bit more settled in. I'm excited to use these soaps. They smell good. All right, so that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.